What's up, YouTube? So I bought this wire stripper here. It is called Copper Mine. Got it from Amazon. I have a lot of wire, and I was actually looking for, I really like that heavy duty wire stripper, the one with the big motor, and it costs like $300. But the only issue is I live in an apartment and can't really mount it to anything, so stuck with this. Bought it for $20, and I wanted to show y'all how well it works. This is very effective, very efficient, really good quality product. Only thing is, it only goes up to about 3 AWG, but I use a knife anyway, so yeah. When I get back to my apartment, I'll show y'all how well it works. If you haven't done it already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting a lot more electronics, electrical, mechanical type of videos. I have a lot of ideas that I want to do. Probably some off-the-wall stuff too. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe. So I already stripped about, this is about 15 pounds right here, 14. And got a whole lot more to go. What I like to do though is lay all of the same type of wire out like this, about 6 feet. So it just makes it easier, so you don't have to keep adjusting the knob on here and switching it. So let's get to it. so this is what we've got. 20 minutes.